All right, everybody. This is what we have right here. We have a 1987 Mazda 323. It comes with a 1.6 liter piston engine. But, you know, Mazda piston, no. We're gonna put a rotary engine in it. We're gonna put a 13B. Plus, we're gonna put a automatic transmission on it. I finally get to drive, so that's what we're gonna do with this. I got this car and I want to create a project, and I'm here to let you know that I'm gonna record the whole process. I'm gonna record the whole process and I'm gonna get it for you guys. We're gonna start obviously taking the engine out, cleaning up the engine bay. We're gonna go ahead and take the wheels off in those axles, and then we're gonna proceed to making clearance on the tunnel to actually make this car rear-wheel drive, because yes, this car is front-wheel drive. So if we want to have some fun and make a car on the 10-second zone around there, just to drive it to the track, have fun on a Sunday fun day or something like that, whatever, or if I want to drive to a meet, well, this is the car that I picked up for myself. You guys know that we have the BDH Racing, the Mazda RX-7, turbo bigger than the motor. But let me tell you something. This right here is gonna be also my baby, because I'm gonna get to drive this baby right here. And well, with all that being said, let's go and let's start working on it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. And BDH Racing, a street car, 1987 Mazda 323 project. Yes. Thumbs up. Hit the little bell button right there and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, guys. This is what we're gonna start with. We're gonna start taking the radiator off. We're gonna take the air box off. We're gonna take the condenser off. Then we're gonna proceed with taking most of the stuff out of here, the wire harness, all the stuff, everything that is attached to the motor. And then we're gonna take the wheels off, and then we take the axles off. And this is day one of the process of the crazy Mazda 323 build. It'll be something that you guys are gonna enjoy. And with any more wait, let's go to it. Well, I guess we're not gonna be needing this one. What do you guys think? AC? Who needs AC? I know the type of air that this thing needs. You know what type of air it needs. The air that it needs goes through the intake. And it's usually pressurized. Well guys, as you can see, there is plenty of room for activities in there. So that's it for today, and the engine is out. Now we're gonna be posting about removing all that stuff that is there, taking the seat out, and then panning out what we're gonna do with the tunnel. We're probably gonna remove the rear suspension, and that will be it for today. So for you guys that like this type of stuff, just subscribe, you know, don't cost anything.